National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Field County in southern Connecticut, Westchester County in southeast New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., flash flooding was detected from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and Westchester County, New York. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 4 p.m. for Passaic, Northwestern Bergen, Rockland, and Orange counties.